Hello beautiful, my name is Mide. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Here I talk about looks, I talk about beauty, self-development, and if you're returning, welcome back. Today's video is on how to overcome low self-esteem and embrace self-love. People with high self-esteem often feel loved, they feel accepted, they have learned over time to value themselves, and they've embraced who they are. They have high opinion of themselves. But on the other hand, if you have low self-esteem, it only means that you often feel incompetent, inadequate, unloved, unaccepted, and you don't have confidence in yourself. Low self-esteem makes you to concentrate on your flaws instead of your strengths. Instead of building yourself up with positive self-talk, you tend to talk yourself down and you don't see anything good in yourself. You have no opinion of who you are, such as your identity, your feeling of acceptance, feelings of belonging. These characteristics often play important roles in varieties of areas in your life, and low self-esteem could be due to some factors that are generally out of our control. The factors that cause low self-esteem includes family background, physical disability, illness, anxiety, loneliness, unloved, unaccepted, depression, racism, poor hygiene, and so on and so forth. Self-esteem is more than just generally liking yourself. It also means that you value your opinion, your thoughts, your interests, and your goal in life. It also plays a good role in how you allow others to treat you, but it starts with loving yourself first. If you don't know who you are, if you don't love yourself, if you don't accept yourself first, you will not be accepted, and people will pass their opinion on you as they like, and you feel like you're always in doubt whether you should do this, whether you should do that. You do not rely on your own instincts. You do not rely on your own ability because you don't know anything about yourself. There are several ways that you can improve on your self-esteem, and it starts with first thinking positively about yourself. Whatever negative thoughts that comes to you when you want to do one or two things, you need to kill that negative thought. Give yourself positive self-talk. Virtually everybody does that. You just don't know because it is something that happens up here in the head. Nobody is perfect. Whatever it is that you are thinking you're not doing right, you don't know how to do and all, it's got to start somewhere. You need to learn what you don't know. You should know that anything that is worth doing at all in life is worth doing badly until you get it right. It is only when you get it right that you begin to develop confidence in your ability. All right? Say no when you need to. There are some circumstances that you find yourself that instead of you to tell that person or say no to that situation or that request, you tend to think of the person's feeling first by ignoring your own, and then you end up saying yes to what you should have said no to. Whatever you don't feel right about, say no. If you know that it's not going to be convenient for you, say no. No is a full statement. You don't have any obligation to explain yourself to anybody. If you do, they will always find holes in your explanation or your excuse. Know that mistake is not a big deal. You've got to make mistakes first and learn from it. Afterward, you become better in whatever it is that you are doing or you're going to do. Learn new things. Internet is there for you to learn things. Pinterest is there for you to learn a whole lot of things. Learn new things. It kind of boosts your confidence and make you to know yourself better, what you are capable of doing and what you are capable of doing well. When you learn new things and you become good at it, you can monetize it. Do what makes you happy. Oftentimes, when you do what makes you happy, the end result is always positive. Like you have this positive radiation of good feelings within you, and at the end of the day, by the time you go through that feeling, it encourages you to always do what makes you feel good. Going to where you want to go, eating what you want to eat, express your need. Oftentimes, people kind of jump to conclusion that this is what is good for you or this is what you need. They don't know you. You know yourself better. Don't let people decide for you. Say what you want. Say what you need. Express yourself. After a while, people will get to know that, oh, this is how she is. Then the last point is exercise. That's physical exercising. Exercising boosts your feeling positively, and when you have this feeling of agility, fluid movement of every part of your body, because you will have it when you exercise. When you exercise, you kind of tone your body. Your body will thank you for it. Okay? Now, self-love does not come naturally to people, but you have to start somewhere and grow from there. So why is self-love important? Self-love is important because it will prevent you from falling into people-pleasing attitude. It is not going to allow you to tolerate abuse and mistreatment from people. If you don't practice self-love, then you are likely to self-sabotage. Self-love is the foundation that allows you to feel proud of who you are. And these are the ways that you can practice self-love. Spend quality time with yourself. This is the only way that you are going to know about yourself. You are going to know who you are, what you like, what you don't like, what makes you happy, what makes you feel good. Develop trust in yourself and honoring your commitment. Whatever it is that you have committed your time to doing, then you need to honor it and go through it all the way, or else you're not going to start valuing what you can do and what you cannot do. Like you're not committed to yourself, you're going to find it difficult to commit to others in any relationship that you find yourself. So you start with yourself first. Show respect for yourself by setting boundaries and putting your need first. You need to take care of yourself before you can even think of an outsider or any other person. It is only when you are in good condition and when you take care of your need is when you will be fit enough, both mentally and physically, to care about any other person's need. Communicate positively with yourself. Do not magnify what you cannot do or what you think that you cannot do. Always encourage yourself to move ahead, to move forward, to do better. That is self-love. Number 5 is for you to replace criticism and comparison with acceptance and appreciation. Value your feelings. Whatever feelings that you have, there must definitely be something triggering it, and you need to value it in order for you to understand how you fare in different situations with different people. Let go of grudges and anger. If not, it will eat you alive. Ask for help. Nobody is an island on its own. What you know that you cannot do, what you are finding difficult to accomplish, if you need help, ask for it. Spend time with people that appreciate you, people that value you, and help to build you up. Like, it's going to be a vice versa kind of relationship, okay? But it is only healthy for you to be around people that bring out the positive side of you. Those are the ways that you can practice self-love. So guys, don't forget to like my video, subscribe to my channel if you find anything of value today, and click on the notification bell to get notified when I upload more video like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.